Okay, in this video we've got some examples for you for long division and synthetic division. We've got two examples that we show here. The first one, we have a trinomial, x cubed plus x plus 30 divided by a binomial, x plus 3. We've got it in a format just like standard long division for regular numbers. What we do first is we take and we focus on this first term, x. So x cubed divided by x to the 1 would be x squared. So we'll put that here. X squared times x to the 1 is x cubed. X squared times 3 gives us 3x squared. We don't have an x squared term in this original trinomial, so we left a space here, and we'll put the x squared term underneath the blank space. So we have plus 3x squared. Now, just like long division, we have to subtract this line from the first line. So nothing minus 3x squared gives us minus 3x squared. X cubed minus x cubed is 0, so that's really out of the picture. So now we look at what we've got here, and we carry down the next number. We have an x, so we'll have plus x. Okay, so for this number we take this first term again, x, or x to the 1, and we take x into minus 3x squared, and we end up with minus 3x. So we'll put that here, minus 3x, and put it above the x term. Now I multiply that times both terms. Minus 3x times x is minus 3x squared. You can see that's going to cancel. Then we take minus 3x times 3, and that gives us minus 9x. Okay, so we subtract this second line, and we get 1x minus 9x would give us minus 8x. Minus 3x squared minus a minus 3x squared cancels, ends up with a 0, so that's out of there. Now we carry down the next number, which is a 30. So we have a plus 30. Alright, now we take x into this. X into minus 8x gives us minus 8. We take minus 8 times both terms. So minus 8 times x is minus 8x. That's going to cancel. Minus 8 times 3 gives us minus 24. So 30 minus a minus 24. Let's run into this next one. I have to erase that. And we'll rewrite it in a second. Okay, so 30 minus a minus 24 gives us 54. So up here we have a remainder of 54 and divided by the divisor, which is x plus 3. So when you divide this number by this binomial, the result is x squared minus 3x minus 8 plus 54 over x plus 3. And that's our answer for long division. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this first binomial term, x squared. We'll divide that into this first term. X squared into 8x cubed leaves us with 8x. Then now I multiply this times the two binomial terms. So 8x times x squared gives me 8x cubed. That's going to cancel when we subtract. And then 8x times minus 3 gives me minus 24. Well, okay, that's going to line up under this next one. So 8x times minus 3 gives me minus 24x. Put that over there. Alright. So 8x cubed minus 8x cubed, 0, out of the picture. 5x squared minus nothing leaves us with 5x squared. Minus 12x minus a minus 24x gives me plus 24x. So I end up with plus 12x. Okay, now I've got one number over here, so I can carry that down. So I have plus 10. Alright, now I'm going to divide the x squared into that. So x squared into 5x squared leaves me with a 5. Now I can take the 5 times both of these terms. So 5x squared, that's going to cancel. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So let's see what we've got. First line, subtract the second line. So positive 10 minus a minus 15. Minus a minus is a plus. So we end up with plus 25. 12x minus nothing, so that's 12x. 5x squared minus 5x squared, that cancels. So this is what we're left with. That's our remainder. So we write that as a remainder of 12x plus 25 over the divisor, which is x squared minus 3. So, and I could rewrite that. So the answer, when we divide those, is 8x plus 5 plus the remainder, 12x plus 25 over x squared minus 3.